What does a data analyst do? A data analyst is responsible for collecting, cleaning, and interpreting data to help organizations make informed business decisions. They use statistical techniques and data visualization tools to identify patterns, trends, and insights. A data analyst also works with databases, creates reports, and collaborates with stakeholders to ensure data-driven decision-making. Can you explain the data analysis process step by step? Yes, the data analysis process typically involves the following steps. Understanding the problem, define the business question or problem that needs to be solved. Collecting data, gather relevant data from different sources, such as databases, APIs, or spreadsheets. Cleaning data, remove inconsistencies, handle missing values, and structure the data properly to ensure accuracy. Exploratory data analysis, EDA, analyze trends, patterns, and correlations using statistical techniques and visualization tools. Modeling and analysis, apply statistical models, machine learning techniques, or business intelligence tools to derive insights. Interpreting results, convert findings into actionable insights and recommendations. Communicating insights, present data-driven insights using reports, dashboards, or visualizations for stakeholders to understand and act upon. What are the key skills required to be a data analyst? A data analyst should have a combination of technical and soft skills, including technical skills, SQL, Excel, Python/R, data visualization tools, Tableau, Power BI, and statistical analysis. Analytical skills, ability to interpret data, identify trends, and provide actionable insights. Problem-solving skills, understanding business needs and using data to solve problems effectively. Communication skills, presenting findings in a clear and concise way to stakeholders. Attention to detail, ensuring data accuracy and integrity throughout the analysis process. What is the difference between data analytics and data science? Data analytics focuses on interpreting historical data to generate insights and support decision-making. It primarily involves querying data, visualization, and basic statistical analysis. On the other hand, data science is a broader field that includes machine learning, predictive modeling, and more advanced statistical techniques to build data-driven algorithms. While data analysts focus on what happened and why, data scientists often work on what will happen next and how can we optimize outcomes. What are structured and unstructured data? Structured data is organized and stored in a predefined format, typically in relational databases. Examples include customer details in a SQL database, transaction records, and sales data. Unstructured data, on the other hand, does not follow a specific format and is more difficult to analyze. Examples include emails, social media posts, videos, images, and sensor data. What are the different types of data analytics? There are 4 main types of data analytics. Descriptive analytics answers what happened by summarizing past data through dashboards, reports, and visualizations. Diagnostic analytics answers why did it happen by identifying patterns and relationships in the data using statistical techniques. Predictive analytics answers what is likely to happen using machine learning and forecasting models to predict future outcomes. Prescriptive analytics answers what should be done by recommending actions based on data-driven insights and optimization models. What are some common Excel functions used in data analysis? Common Excel functions used in data analysis include sum, average, min, max, basic calculations, if, error, logical conditions and error handling, VLOOKUP, lookup, index, match, lookup and reference functions, count, counta, countif, countifs, counting specific values, text, concat, left, right, mid, text manipulation, pivot tables, summarizing large datasets efficiently. How do you remove duplicates in Excel? To remove duplicates, select the dataset. Go to Data Remove Duplicates. Choose columns to check for duplicates. Click OK to remove duplicate values. Alternatively, use conditional formatting to highlight duplicates before deleting them manually. How would you use pivot tables to analyze data? Pivot tables help summarize and analyze large datasets. To use them, select your dataset and go to Insert Pivot Table. Choose where to place the table. Drag fields into rows, columns, values, and filters sections. Use sorting, filtering, and grouping to find insights. For example, a pivot table can quickly summarize total sales by region or count the number of orders per product. What is VLOOKUP, and how does it work? VLOOKUP searches for a value in one column and returns a corresponding value from another column. Syntax equals VLOOKUP lookup underscore value, table underscore array, col underscore index underscore num, range underscore lookup. Lookup underscore value, the value to search for. Table underscore array, the data range. Col underscore index underscore num, the column number to return data from. Range underscore lookup, false for an exact match, true for an approximate match. For example, equals VLOOKUP 101, a 2C10, 2, false, finds the value in column 2 that matches 101 in column A. What is the difference between count, counta, and COUNTIF? Count counts only numeric values. Counta counts all non-empty cells, including text. COUNTIF counts cells that meet a specific condition. Example: count A1:A10 counts numbers. Count A1:A10 counts all filled cells. COUNTIF A1:A10 greater than 50 counts numbers greater than 50. How do you clean and pre-process data in Excel? To clean data in Excel: remove duplicates, use remove duplicates. Handle missing values, fill gaps using if error, or interpolation. Trim spaces, use trim to remove extra spaces. Standardize formatting, convert text case, proper, upper, lower. Fix data types, ensure numbers, dates, and text are correctly formatted. Use text to columns, split data into separate columns. Find and replace errors, use find and replace, Ctrl+H, or error. Filter and sort data, use filters to remove irrelevant or incorrect data. A clean dataset ensures accurate and meaningful analysis. What is SQL, and why is it important for data analysis? SQL, structured query language, is used to store, retrieve, and manipulate data in databases. It is essential for data analysis because it helps extract insights from large datasets, perform aggregations, filter data, and join multiple tables efficiently. What are the different types of SQL joins? SQL joins combine data from multiple tables. The main types are: inner join, returns only matching records from both tables. Left join, returns all records from the left table and matching records from the right table, null if no match. Right join, returns all records from the right table and matching records from the left table. Full utter join, returns all records from both tables, with nulls where no match exists. How would you retrieve unique values from a column in SQL? Use the distinct keyword. Example: select distinct column underscore name from table underscore name. This removes duplicate values and returns only unique records. Can you explain the difference between where and having clauses? Where filters records before aggregation and applies to individual rows. Having filters aggregated results after group by. Example: select department, count from employees. Where salary greater than 50,000, this filters before aggregation. Group by department. Having count greater than 10, this filters after aggregation. What is the difference between inner join and left join? Inner join returns only records that have matching values in both tables. Left join returns all records from the left table and matching records from the right table, filling unmatched rows with null. Example: select employees.name, departments.department underscore name from employees. Inner join departments on employees.department_id equals departments.id. How would you find duplicate records in a SQL table? Use group by and having count greater than 1. Example: select column underscore name, count from table underscore name, group by column underscore name having count greater than 1. This finds records that appear more than once. What is the purpose of group by in SQL? Group by groups rows that have the same values in specified columns and is used with aggregate functions like count, sum, average, etc. Example: select department, count from employees, group by department. This returns the number of employees in each department. How do you write a query to find the second highest salary from a table? Using limit, MySQL/PostgreSQL. Example: select distinct salary from employees, order by salary, desc limit 1 offset 1, using max, for databases without limit. Example: select max salary from employees where salary and LT. Select max salary from employees, this finds the highest salary excluding the top one. Why is data visualization important in analytics? Data visualization helps present complex data in an easy-to-understand format. It makes trends, patterns, and insights more accessible, enabling better decision-making and storytelling with data. What are some common data visualization tools? Popular data visualization tools include Tableau, interactive dashboards and reports; Power BI, business intelligence and analytics; Excel, basic charts and pivot tables; Google Data Studio, free, cloud-based reporting; Matplotlib/Seaborn, Python libraries for custom visualizations. What are the best chart types for different kinds of data? Bar chart, comparing categories; line chart, showing trends over time; pie chart, displaying proportions; scatter plot, identifying correlations between variables; histogram, analyzing distributions of numerical data. Choosing the right chart depends on the data type and the insights you want to convey. How do you handle missing or incomplete data in a report? Remove missing data if it's insignificant. Fill missing values using mean, median, or mode. Use interpolation for time series data. Flag missing data to highlight inconsistencies. Consult stakeholders to understand the impact of missing values. Proper handling ensures accurate and reliable reports. What is a dashboard, and how is it useful in data analysis? A dashboard is a visual representation of key metrics and insights in one place. It helps track performance, monitor trends, and make data-driven decisions quickly. Dashboards are widely used in business intelligence for real-time reporting and analysis. What is the difference between mean, median, and mode? Mean, the average of all values. Median, the middle value when data is sorted. Mode, the most frequently occurring value. Example, 4, 2, 3, 3, 5, 7. Mean equals 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, 5 equals 4. Median equals 3, middle value, mode equals 3, most frequent. Can you explain standard deviation and variance? Variance measures how spread out data points are from the mean. Standard deviation is the square root of variance and shows how much data deviates from the average. A higher standard deviation means more variability in data, while a lower one indicates data is closer to the mean. What is correlation versus causation? Correlation means two variables move together but don't necessarily affect each other. Causation means one variable directly influences the other. Example, ice cream sales and drowning incidents may be correlated, both increase in summer, but ice cream does not cause drowning, no causation. What is the significance of hypothesis testing and data analysis? Hypothesis testing helps determine if a claim about a dataset is statistically significant. It involves null hypothesis, H0, no effect or difference. Alternative hypothesis, H1, there is an effect or difference. P-value, if low, for example, and LT, 0.05, we reject H0 and accept H1. It's used to make data-driven decisions with confidence. What is regression analysis, and how is it used in analytics? Regression analysis predicts relationships between variables. The most common type is linear regression, which estimates how one variable, dependent, changes with another, independent. Example, predicting sales based on advertising spend. It's widely used in forecasting, trend analysis, and decision-making. Why is data cleaning important? Data cleaning ensures accuracy, consistency, and reliability in analysis. Poor data quality can lead to incorrect insights and bad decisions. What are common data cleaning techniques? Removing duplicates eliminates redundant data. Handling missing values, filling, removing, or flagging missing data. Correcting inconsistencies, fixing typos, formats, and incorrect entries. Standardizing data, ensuring consistent units, date formats, and text case. Removing irrelevant data, filtering out unnecessary information. How do you handle missing values in a dataset? Remove missing data if it's minimal and doesn't impact analysis. Fill with mean/median/mode for numerical data. Use interpolation for time series data. Apply forward or backward filling to carry forward previous values. Use predictive models to estimate missing values. How would you deal with outliers in data? Identify outliers using box plots, z-scores, or IQR method. Remove them if they result from errors. Cap or transform values using log transformations or winsorization. Analyze separately if they hold meaningful insights. What is data normalization and standardization? Normalization scales data to a range, for example, 0 to 1, using min-max scaling. Standardization transforms data to have a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Both techniques are used in machine learning and statistical analysis to ensure fair comparisons between variables. Suppose sales have dropped for a company. How would you analyze the situation? Review sales data, compare with previous periods. Identify key factors, analyze products, regions, and customer segments. Check external influences, market trends, competition, economic factors. Customer feedback, look for complaints or changing preferences. Marketing and pricing analysis, evaluate promotions and price changes. Recommend solutions, improve strategies based on insights. If you find inconsistent data in a report, what steps would you take? Verify data sources, check for errors in extraction. Cross-check with backups, compare with historical data. Identify patterns of inconsistency, find errors in calculations or formats. Consult with relevant teams, confirm correct data. Correct and document changes, ensure future consistency. How would you identify trends in customer behavior using data? Analyze purchase history, identify buying patterns. Use segmentation, group customers by demographics or preferences. Track engagement, website visits, clicks, or interactions. Compare time periods, look for seasonal or long-term trends. Use predictive analytics, forecast future behavior. If you receive a large dataset with missing values, how would you approach it? Assess the extent of missing data, identify affected columns/rows. Decide on handling method, remove rows if data loss is minimal. Fill with mean/median for numerical data. Use mode for categorical data. Apply forward/backward filling for time series data. Document changes, ensure transparency in data handling. How would you explain a complex data analysis report to a non-technical stakeholder? Use simple language, avoid jargon. Focus on key insights, highlight what matters most. Use visuals, charts and graphs make data easier to understand. Tell a story, explain trends and patterns with context. Relate to business impact, show how insights affect decisions. What BI tools have you used before? I have used Power BI, Tableau, and Excel for data visualization and reporting. These tools help analyze trends, create dashboards, and present insights effectively. How would you use Power BI/Tableau to visualize data? Connect to data sources, import data from databases, Excel, or APIs. Clean and transform data, use Power Query or Tableau Prep. Create visualizations, use bar charts, line graphs, and maps. Build interactive dashboards, add filters and drill down options. Share reports, publish dashboards for decision makers. Can you explain ETL, extract, transform, load, in simple terms? ETL is a process used to prepare data for analysis. Extract, pull raw data from different sources. Transform, clean, format, and structure the data. Load, store the processed data in a database or data warehouse. It ensures clean and organized data for reporting and analytics. What is the difference between OLTP and OLAP? OLTP, online transaction processing, handles real-time transactions, for example, banking, e-commerce. OLAP, online analytical processing, used for reporting and analysis, dealing with large data sets. OLTP is for fast data entry, while OLAP is for deep data analysis. How do you track key performance indicators, KPIs, in business analytics? Define relevant KPIs, based on business goals, for example, sales growth, customer retention. Collect data, from databases, CRM, or ERP systems. Use BI tools, Power BI/Tableau to visualize trends. Monitor regularly, create real-time dashboards. Take action, use insights to improve performance. Have you used Python for data analysis? If so, which libraries? Yes, I have used Python for data analysis. Common libraries include Pandas, data manipulation and analysis; NumPy, numerical computations; Matplotlib and Seaborn, data visualization; scikit-learn, machine learning. What are Pandas and NumPy used for? Pandas works with structured data like tables, data frames. Used for reading, cleaning, and analyzing data. NumPy handles numerical operations and large arrays efficiently. How do you read a CSV file using Python? Using Pandas. Example import pandas as pddf equals pd.read_csv file.csv, print df.head, this displays first 5 rows. What is the difference between a list and a dictionary in Python? List, ordered collection of items, accessed by index. Example. My_list equals 1, 2, 3, hash indexed by position print my_list 0, hash output, 1. Dictionary, key value pairs, accessed by key. My_dict equals, name, Alice, age, 25, print my_dict name, hash output, Alice. How would you use Matplotlib or Seaborn for data visualization? Matplotlib creates basic plots. Example import matplotlib.pyplot as plt.plot1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plt.showSeaborn creates advanced statistical plots. Example import Seaborn as sns_sns.histplotdf column_name, plt.show.